Hello friends, welcome to Geneva, where we're testing new Nissan Qashqai.
Well, let's start from the outside. So first of all, the appearance, it still looks like a Qashqai, but there's a lot of technology. So for example, we've adopted LED headlamps. There's lots of technology actually in the whole mass production of the vehicle. So despite having more technology on the car, it's actually 40 kilograms overall lighter than the previous car. We've also had to use a lot of that technology to achieve 99 grams CO2 on the 1.5 diesel, which is fantastic and actually class leading in this segment. Taking us inside the car, you have a huge amount of technology. So you have, for example, at the front you have traffic sign recognition, lane departure warning, also auto high-low beam. So if you have your headlamps on main beam, you don't need to touch the controls. The camera will spot either following cars or oncoming cars and lower the headlamps automatically and raise again. We also have blind spot warning. And then taking into the new Nissan Connect system, it comes with the same connectivity as before, but also you have additional parking features on top of a round view monitor. So you have things like moving object detection, which detects people or things moving behind your car, give you an extra safety feature, and also intelligent park assist as well, which will actually park the car for you into a bay. So you're still in control of the pedals, you control the gears, the acceleration, the brake, but the steering will actually control itself and park the vehicle for you. So for those customers who aren't so comfortable parking either on the street in a parallel park or in a bay park, the car will do it as well. So great little feature. Then also in the meter you'll see in front of you, you can select all these features. So if you don't like some of the features, you can turn them on and off as you wish. And one of the other nice features on here, you can also change the feel of your steering. So you can change between a normal feel and a sport feel as well. And finally, into the luggage room. So being a crossover, you want a versatile vehicle for every need, okay? And we've now adopted a luggage board system where you can have 16 different combinations. You have a vertical board for example shopping. You also have a wipe clean surface on the other side for dirty walking routes and things. And also a nice little feature we designed in that you can actually hide your parcel shelf. So if you go on holiday or you go out with your bikes or something like that, you don't have to leave your parcel shelf at home or behind the seats. You can just slide it underneath the luggage board. So for us, technology is not just the electronic things, it works all the way through the car.
Is Vienna's new Qashqai going to be a little bit expensive, but I would like to ask what about different by percent? How expensive is it?
I'm afraid
5% more expensive than previous. Or?
Yeah, being an engineer, I'm not so not so sure on the prices, but certainly the cost will be very comparable with the current car. And this is always an aim for us, is to actually keep an affordable package for the customer while maintaining a lot of technology and innovation. So you can see here the new navigation system. Firstly, there is the larger screen than the original Nissan Connect, so we now have a 7-inch screen. You obviously have the normal navigation as well. Then you can listen to your radio, and you have connectivity as well through USB, which is situated inside the centre console box, so you can keep your MP3 player charging in here with nice little cutouts as well for the cable. Then we also have obviously the reversing camera and a round view monitor available in here, and this is how you also operate the intelligent parking assist as well through the system, which we can demonstrate at the end. Then also we have the traffic messages as well, so you can see if there are any traffic issues on the road, and you can plan around that, and the system can support you on that. And also in the future you will have a range of applications which are still being developed at the moment, and we will launch these very shortly in due course, and we were obviously making sure these are very safe to drive and integrated well with the vehicle, so which is obviously paramount to us. Gearbox will be manual transmission, and the new Xtronic two-pedal transmission. So this is a complete change from Nissan's previous continuously variable transmissions. So Xtronic gives you the benefits of a smooth feeling at low speed during the city. So very quiet, but then at higher engine revs and higher speed you get more of a step feel that you got from a traditional automatic transmission, and you eliminate a lot of the traditional rubber band feeling.
What about the difference? This new Qashqai looks similar with X-Trail, but interior the same interior, but it's outside some elements looks similar with new X-Trail. Nissan X-Trail, but it is 5 seats, X-Trail is 7 seats. What is
exactly? Yeah. So obviously the usage of X-Trail and Qashqai are different. You know, as you've said, there are some components like the dash you see here is common, but we've also adopted, let's say, a different sense console. There's more overall space in X-Trail, but Qashqai delivers a more dynamic package, still with a good level of premium feel inside, so good high quality materials, good performance, but really X-Trail is obviously a more rugged, more SUV style. Qashqai is very much a crossover model. So to us there are, you know, very clear differences between the two, despite having common design cues and themes between the two.